am standing in front of 99 John Street. This is a luxury condo building on John Street, on the corner of John Street and Pearl Streets in the heart of the financial district. This is an extremely convenient location near almost every subway station. And at the base of the building, there is a store called Jubilee, which is a grocery store. The beautiful marble lobby is attended 24 hours a day by a doorman. This is the mailroom. As we head into the elevator, I'm going to show you the outdoor areas of this building first. This building has some of the best outdoor areas in all of the city. This is the beautiful roof deck. It is a luxury roof deck equipped with cabanas, beds for lounging, tables for dining, and an amazing panoramic view. We'll head downstairs to the 5th floor Zen Garden. This is an outdoor common area that is equipped with barbecue grills. It's beautifully landscaped. It's a gorgeous place to come relax, lay out, take the sun, or have a barbecue with friends. This building does also have a lounge which is accessible from this floor, but it's closed right now due to COVID. Off the elevator now on the 7th floor, we are winding around the hallway to unit number 702. This is a beautifully spacious studio apartment in absolutely amazing condition. As you see, the kitchen is equipped with full-size stainless steel appliances, full-sized refrigerator, oven, stove. There is also a dishwasher and tons of cabinet space, as you can see, on both sides of the kitchen, up above as well as below. Beautiful marble wrapped bathroom. Entering the large studio living space, you'll see that there is more than plenty of room for a bed as well as a living room area. Walking up to the windows, I really wanted you to be able to see that there is a view from outside of this apartment of the Zen Garden as well as beautiful bright skies, so you do have a lot of light coming into this apartment. The other window also has plenty of room between you and the next building outside, as well as that bright sky coming in. So this is a very, very bright apartment. Again, just another angle view of the apartment, and I also want to mention that there is a ton of closet space in this unit as well. That was 99 John Street, a luxury condo building, and that was a studio that is currently available to rent. If you would like more information or if you would like to schedule a private showing, please email me at christina.kremidas@element.com.